Hey everyone, Jerry James Stone here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spicy cranberry chutney. It's lovely. It has apples, ginger, jalapeno, cranberry. I think you're really going to like it, so let's get to making it. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to start off with the apples, and like I said, in this case I have them completely peeled and chopped, and the reason I did that is usually I tend to like to use all of the vegetable or fruit. For example, I love mashed potatoes with the skins. I want all the extra fiber, but in this particular recipe it just doesn't quite work as well. It's a lot more refined and nice without the skins, so they're peeled and cubed. I'm cooking them over a low heat. I just want to get them to start to release those juices as they cook down, and then we're going to add in the other ingredients. So I'm just cooking those over a low heat. What do you think of my glowing necklace? This would be a great time to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, by the way, or if you just like my channel. Just give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below if there's something that you want to see, or if you're watching for the first time, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some sugar. That's going to help these apples even pull out more of that moisture and help them kind of continue to cook down. If you want a little bit of a make-ahead tip on this recipe, something you could do is once you chop the apples, you could actually toss them in the sugar and just put them in a Ziploc bag, remove all that air, and store it overnight. Because you're going to cook it down, the sugar will kind of help reduce that oxidization that happens with the apples and also pull out that moisture overnight too. So you can sort of make it ahead that way. Now they're starting to boil. So I'm going to cook that for a couple minutes. Let that heat keep reducing those apples, softening them, and then we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to add in our cranberries. Now that the liquid is starting to come out from those apples and it's starting to boil a little bit, we're going to use the cranberries and toss those in. And then just mix that together. Now we're going to add in our ginger and our orange zest and our minced jalapeno. So add in our minced ginger, our orange zest, and our minced jalapeno. The thing that's nice about the jalapeno in this, it's not enough to really be too spicy. It's just enough to I believe, even out the sweetness. So it kind of balances the tart, that ginger, the sugar, the apples, and the cranberry. Sort of levels it all out with just a little bit of heat. And I'm just gonna mix that all together. It smells so good. It's like apples and ginger and orange right now, just kind of billowing out of the pan. And now I'm just gonna cover this and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, just so everything can start to kind of fall apart and meld together. And the reason I'm doing that covered is because I really want to keep the moisture that's coming out of those apples into the chutney. It's going to get too dry otherwise. So just let that simmer covered for about 10 minutes, checking on it every few minutes just to stir it around a little bit, making sure it's not burning or anything. But I really want to keep that moisture in there and keep that liquid in there. So like I said, let it cook for about 10 minutes covered. Give it a stir every now and then. You don't really even need to mash anything. The apples and the cranberries will just start to fall apart. In fact, during that 10 minutes, you'll hear those cranberries pop, which for me, I don't know, for some reason, I really like that noise a lot. This thing is almost ready to go. It smells so good. You can just smell that ginger. So I'm just gonna let it cook for a few more minutes and then we're ready. Okay, so I think it's ready to go. Oh yeah, it looks delicious. You can see those chunks of apples. A lot of it is broken down. It's almost like an applesauce. Cranberries, you just get that waft of ginger. Looks super, super good. It's definitely a thicker chutney. I'm releasing this around Thanksgiving because it's perfect for Thanksgiving, but I'm dressed for Christmas because it's great for either holiday. I think this is a side dish that you definitely want to try. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. Have a happy holiday.